My name is Tasha Moses.
And you work with?
I work with Crown Point Dental for Dr. Levitan.
Oh, awesome. How long have you been here?
I've been here, it's been 7 months now, but
Okay.
I've been in the dental field for 24 plus years.
Wow, that's awesome. When you came in here, how organized was it?
Oh my God. I mean, organized to the point where if you're just a lay person off the street, as long as you can read, you're gonna find where everything is. Everything is labeled, everything has a spot.
And you feel like you're successful in your job, right?
Oh God, yes. I love it here. And they go above and beyond, whereas they even have it's a training booklet. Once again, that if you can't even read, pictures will show you where everything goes. This is the most organized office I've ever worked at in my entire dental career.
Awesome. Thank you for that.